Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile without a VPN. To begin, understand that regional restrictions often necessitate a VPN for global versions. However, an official, direct method exists for many players. We will explore how specific game versions are tailored for different markets, allowing you to bypass these restrictions entirely and enjoy seamless gameplay. The key to playing without a VPN lies in understanding regional game versions. For instance, countries like India have Battlegrounds Mobile India, while China has Game for Peace. These are officially sanctioned versions, specifically designed for those markets. They adhere to local guidelines, providing a legal and stable platform for millions of players to enjoy the game without any access issues. To access your regional version, first, verify if one is available in your country. You can usually find this information on the official PUBG Mobile website or through local gaming news. Once confirmed, simply download the game directly from your region's official app store, such as the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. This ensures you receive legitimate updates and a secure gaming environment. Playing the official regional version offers numerous advantages. You will experience much more stable connections and significantly lower ping, leading to a smoother gameplay experience. Furthermore, you gain access to official game updates and dedicated customer support, ensuring any issues are promptly addressed. This method also eliminates the security risks often associated with using unofficial workarounds or third-party applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.